You can split the software development lifecycle into two square parts: the social part and the technical part. And together they're the socio-technical.
Right.
The social part is all about discovery, understanding, collaboration, gathering of requirements, designing, all this sort of work that happens upstream. The majority of the work there, the pre-development, the getting ready for development,
Pre-dev.
right? A good majority of that is social. It's collaborative. And then you move into the technical part, which is the engineering, the implementation, the design of the technicalities. One is about going from high-level requirements to low-level specs, and then going from low-level specs to delivered code. In the middle of those 2 points, right, is the transition from social, messy, discovery, conversational space into logical, well-defined, structured, highly binary space, right? These are two very different spaces. The computer space and the human space are very different. One is very analog and the other is very binary, is the way to think about it. Naturally, there's going to be a bridge to go from one world to the other. And the way in which you do that, there's a chasm here that you have to fill. There's a gap, there's a communication gap and a translation gap. It's the translation of those high-level analog communications, design activities and discoveries into lower-level specific things, aka specifications.
Mm-hmm.
That's the chasm, and that needs to be filled. And that's the process you need to fill as a group of people working in the SDLC.